Ever wondered how to manage expenses in your warehouse center? It's all about accessing the expenses menu, viewing the list of costs, and creating expenses for specific departments. In this main view, spot the expense code, the name of the expense, and the balance. At the upper left part, create or register an expense. It's beneficial to use a code tied to an accounting code, but feel free to generate a unique one. Each expense has options to edit or delete. Remember, on the right side, over the specific expense, edit the expense or delete it. When registering an expense, always enter the amount. As soon as you do, the expense will show up in your accounting function. On the balance sheet, you'll see the expense balance. As you add more expenses under the same code, this balance will change. See your expense reflected in the main view when you go to the accounting function. Managing expenses efficiently is crucial to your business. With Engonus, you can easily record, track, and manage expenses across departments. It's not just about expenses. Engonus offers advanced functions in all areas, unlocking new levels of efficiency. Engonus, an ERP with APP and Iiot, offers advanced functions in all areas of your company, making expense management seamless.